I'm on my way to my friend's house. He goes by the name of Seth TV, but his real name is Joseph Pasalo. His hometown is called Leyte. I'm about to fly back to London this afternoon. So I decided that I need to see him before I go. And he's been busy the entire 3 weeks that I was in the Philippines. He's been around. He always is at somewhere else. No, he's never home, to be honest. So just a quick catch up and hi hello, then I'm gonna go back to London. So I'm quite excited. As a background, I met Joseph probably almost a decade ago. He wasn't doing videos back then. He was just shooting drone videos of places, but he wouldn't really show himself on the videos. Now he's like one of the biggest content creators, one of which I respect. His videos are informative, and he's a one-man production team because he's the host. He shoots the video himself and the wife sometimes. He makes a script, he edits. He's overall an amazing like human being. So just gonna see him for a bit. I just want to see how his house looks now, because 2 years back it was being constructed, and he's got now a farm apparently, so I want to have a look. Yeah, apparently he lives somewhere back here now. What the heck, man? Look at his house. So it's probably his dog. What's your name, boy? What's your name, boy? Look at this, man. Oh my days. So they don't know I'm here, but I'm just filming videos. They're probably planning to go off to an adventure. Look at that. Look at that, man. What the hell? Bro. And the Seth TV Avanza, huh? God damn, he rich boy. Boy, look at that, man. Whoa. Damn. Lord. Wala na fake news. Wala ka talaga eh. Gano'ng kayaman sa Seth TV. Ako na ada yan eh. Sino nga ba ang totoong Seth TV?
Mahilig upload na.
So ayan po ano. Ayan po ang properties ni Seth TV. Siyempre, sekreto lang kasi to protect his safety and his family. So, like, hindi ko sabihin kung saan to. Pero, you know, baka alam nyo rin eh. Punta kami sa Calamansi Farm niya, sa isang town. I think next town from here. Check out ko lang yung niya, yung Calamansi Farm. Yes. Yan po ang wife. Isa sa kanilang dalawang cars. Yan na po. Yan na po, guys. Napakayaman ng taon to shit. All of that from vlogging. God damn. Tara.
Karani 200.
200. Damn. Mga ahinte. Ay, nagbunga naman ngayon. Bisang gute bata pala.
Pwede ka nagadudong maglimo na kada. Diba, pagod-tagod. Ito, batag na mo.
Kinexpect naman sa panahon na maabot tayo magkaka-farm ka. Makapalit kainin, sarakyan, balay. Ha? Nakukan ka pa, nakakalasan ka pa, na napapalit mo na.
Already, recommend na imagine nga ako na. Ang naray. Kung ano lang.
Kung ano lang umabot.
Kung ano tumabot. Hindi rin ko siya tipil ba nga akong kay. Kuri na. Yung kukuhan ko lugo din, nga parat kabataan.
Ah, kabataan. May daka, papamana.
Ito ba dito? Direct mababambo kung
Ah, dito. Aw, kuan la. Weed. Aw, bagat.
Turkla.
Aw, napaubos na nga di. Ah, dito yung swimming pool nga di. Team Hotel, ada nga da. Lagi sab. Team Hotel, ada nga da. Swimming pool nga di. Takot yung parking lot sab.
Tama nga.
Kaya na nga rin nakatuwas kina. Kumita ng saragan, nagkukuhan. Nagkikilig.
Nakikilig.
Nakatuwas kina kanina. Pag-agi ko naman reply ah. Yawa, nakaka-traffic ka.
Di ba no? Ngarap ka senyorita.
Ano ito?
Ang senyorita. Ano, kadalo si bang saging o damot bunga.
Yati, iba naman na breeding.
Lagi. Naayon ka sa rato ng ani. Kaya ganun. Ikan ni ka ngayon na.
Magalan Boracay.
Until next time, stay funky, stay fabulous, you beautiful people, and don't forget to love yourself and enjoy everything that is around you. See you at the Ikanas.
Solo spaghetti na lang, di ba? Mausala.
Ada ko nung sa